Mr. Personality says you're looking at a legend. He's the junior champion. He's showing all 32s, and he loves it. What is a cane with a bow?
Well, it's Christmas, right? I mean, I see poinsettias out here. I see you talking about the best of 2006, which obviously in next week, which is obviously going to be nothing but a tape of Derek King matches because I am the best. And but I spared no expense. I went out and I got Johnny Dotson a Christmas present. I got him some.
Oh, that's ridiculous, Derek. Why would you do that? The man broke his leg earlier this year. He's had to suffer all year without wrestling, one of the things he loves to do, and you come in here and make fun.
I tell you what's ridiculous is Johnny Dotson been in the wrestling business. That's ridiculous. But anyway, I went out and got Johnny Dotson of his very own cane. But you know what? I am sick of, I see you sitting out here talking about, well, Johnny Dotson broke his leg. And then I saw the interview. I saw the interview that you sent in that, his leg, but he has background music and all. Why don't I get any of that stuff like that, Corey Mack? I don't get any background music. I don't get any all kind of stuff. Because see, Johnny Dotson, a personal friend of yours, gets to do whatever he wants to, right? But one thing, Johnny Dotson, you're not going to do is interfere in Derek King matches. You're not going to ever be the junior heavyweight champion. And before too long, you're going to need more than a cane. You're going to need a wheelchair to get out of the ring. Because listen, Derek King's here to stay in 2007. Is looking even better for the greatest wrestler that ever lived. That's Derek King.
Oh, boy, I tell you, this guy, he's got a mouth, I tell you that. If he can't wrestle, he certainly can talk about it. Derek King, the junior champion. Right in the